Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the time and date on your Lorus Quartz watch. As you can see, we have a quartz movement, we have the date complication, so the date window here at 3 o'clock. And what you need to remember when you are going to set the time and date is that first you want to set the date 1 day prior to the actual date that you want to set. So let's say that I want to make it the 15th. I'm going to first set the date to the 14th, then I'm going to pull the crown all the way and go manually with the watch hands past 12 o'clock until the date changes to 15th, and then I'm going to either select AM or go past 12 o'clock in order to know that I am PM, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So I'm going to pull the crown to the first position, and now I'm going to change the date until I have the 14th, just like that. So as I mentioned, my end goal is to make it the 15th, so 1 day after. Now I'm going to pull the crown all the way, and I'm going to go past 12 o'clock manually. As you can see, now the date has been settled at 14. Now I'm going to go past 12 o'clock, the date is still the 14th. Now I'm going to go past 12 once again, and now you can see we are on the 15th, and now I know that I am AM. So now I know that I am on the 15th and it is 4 in the morning. If I want to leave it like that, I'm going to push the crown all the way back in and we are done. If I want to make it PM, I'm going to go past 12 o'clock once again. And as you can see, the date is still 15. So we are on the 15th, and now I'm going to make it 5 PM. So now I know that I am on the 15th and it is 5 PM. So that is why you want to set the date 1 day prior to the actual date that you want to set, so that you can manually go past 12 o'clock, change the date, and see whether you are AM or PM. So guys, that was the quick tutorial that I had for you today. You now know how to set the time and date on your Lorus Quartz watch. If you enjoyed this type of content, guys, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, especially if you are into watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials, and watch reviews. And I'm going to see you guys on the next video.